Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by simplifying. Pick a convenient base and split both numbers into parts you can multiply mentally. For example, change 497 to 500 minus 3 or express 64 as 8 times 8. Once done, list the pieces, main chunk, adjustments, and powers of 10. Make sure to mark signs and any forced carries now. This setup is the most time-saving move. Do it quickly, and you will convert a heavy multiplication into several tiny, manageable multiplications. Now multiply each pair of parts. Handle the easiest products first, like 25 times 4 or 8 times 7. Use the distributive rule so you do main chunk times main chunk, then add the cross products. This keeps mental load low. When numbers were rounded, apply adjustments. Subtract or add the product of the adjustments. Also, keep powers of 10 in mind. Move them back in at the end. If you pause, verbally confirm each subtotal. That avoids losing place. Finish by summing the subtotals and then reapplying any powers of 10 you separated earlier. Work left to right when adding to control carries. Pause after major sums and state the result to yourself. Once combined, correct for any rounding tweaks you made in the beginning, add or subtract those adjustment products. If something feels off, use a quick estimate. Round both originals and multiply to check magnitude. That single check catches most mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.